The glitter of water through the buildings means you are nearing Hussain Sagar. A large monolithic Buddha statue stands on a platform in the middle of the lake. The Buddha statue stands tall in the middle of the lake, watching the city. A ride around Hussain Sagar reminds you why this city is called the City of Lakes.